is Adrian Taggart, and this is Southern Cooks. Today I'm going to be preparing for y'all chicken Alfredo. It's a recipe I came up with, and it's really good. I think y'all ought to try it. But anyway, the ingredients I use, we got boneless chicken breast. I have 2 boneless chicken breasts, which I butterflied, which make it a little bit easier to cook. And then I have some chicken broth. It was just a canned chicken broth that I had. And then self-rising flour. I have Tony's seasoning, butter, fresh garlic, onions, bell peppers, heavy whipping cream, and olive oil. And that's pretty much it. It's really easy to cook, and it doesn't take that long to do it. And also, I have fettuccine noodles that are cooking as we speak. But let's get this started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add a little olive oil. Then we're going to put the chicken. And then I'm going to put some seasoning on. Alright. That's going to do it. Also put a lid on it just to kind of keep the heat in, makes it cook a little bit quicker. Let's see what this thing's looking like. Woo-wee. Boy, this is smelling good. Look at that. See how I got it kind of brown on this side here? That's what you're looking for. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to put just a little bit of seasoning on this side. Now let's look at it. Oh yeah. I believe they're ready. Now I'm going to take them off, put them on a plate and let them rest. I'm going to clean my skillet up and get ready for the next step. We're going to put the butter in and let it melt. I'm only using a half a stick of butter. I think that's all I'll need. I'm going to add the onions. I'm not adding all of them, just about that many. And then the peppers. Alright, I'm not adding my garlic until this is where I need it, and then I'll put the garlic in. But we're basically looking for this to be translucent, kind of where it's getting a little done. I'm going to tell you what, that's already smelling good right there. Yes, indeed. That's getting pretty close now. I'm going to go ahead and put my garlic in. That's probably about a tablespoon of garlic. Ooh, now it's smelling right. My next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour. And see what that gets me. I think it needs a little bit more. Go ahead and add another tablespoon. All right. Oh yeah. That's looking pretty good right there. Now my flour's cooked just a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit of this chicken broth. Just a lack of that. Yep. And now we're going to add the heavy whipping cream. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're going to bring this back up to a little simmer. And while that's doing that, I'm going to cut up my chicken. Now the way I'm going to cut my chicken, I'm going to cut it kind of julienne style a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of my Tony's to this. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And now I'm going to add my chicken. All right, y'all. That's about a meal right there. There's one other thing I needed to add. That's Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna put a healthy thing of Parmesan cheese in here, just like so. And I'm gonna let that melt down. All right, look at that now. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're back. And now all I gotta do is plate this good stuff up right here. I'm gonna take some of these doodles right here. Look at that. Woo-wee. This is gonna be good stuff. Then I'm gonna take some of this right here. Put that on there like that. A little bit of that gravy. And if I had a little parsley, I'd put a little parsley on it. That'd just give it a little kick to it as far as presentation. But that's it right there. This is my chicken Alfredo, and I hope you liked it. I hope you try it because it's really good. And if you liked the video, please share it. And if you hadn't already, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified whenever I have my new episodes coming out. I'm gonna try to post every Friday. And don't forget southerncooks.net. I have this recipe along with many others, and you can go there and get the recipes. And you can also look me up on Facebook. And I appreciate y'all stopping by. Southern Cooks out. Thank y'all.